Hey there, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a super effective Mailchimp design hack, how to use different colored background sections in your email. If you've ever wondered how to move beyond those basic single color messages and make something that truly stands out, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to break your emails into eye-catching rows with coordinated colors, making your content easier to read and giving your whole design that polished, modern look. Alright, let's get right into it. One of the simplest ways to upgrade your Mailchimp emails is by dividing them into separate sections or rows, each with its own background color. Think about the difference between a single sheet of paper and a nicely sectioned flyer. Sections help guide your reader's eye to what matters most. To get started, open up Mailchimp's new builder, and rather than sticking with just one plain background color for your entire email, try adding different content sections like a header, a body, and a footer. For example, you might start with a classic white header for your email title and logo, then move into a light gray background for your main content, and finish off with a bold blue footer that really pops. Hear why this is such a game changer. Breaking up your email like this instantly improves readability. Our eyes naturally gravitate to divisions on a page, so different background colors help your subscribers intuitively understand where to look next. It's kind of like when you read a magazine. Those colored boxes, banners, and accents aren't just there to look pretty. They help you find what you're looking for and keep you engaged. Now, to actually set this up in Mailchimp's builder, all you have to do is add new rows or sections and customize the background color for each one. The new builder makes this process really straightforward. Just select the section you want to edit, and you'll see color options pop up. If you're using a lot of white space, don't worry, that's actually a good thing. White and light backgrounds help your content breathe, while a more saturated or brand color in the footer can be the perfect way to draw attention to a call to action or contact info. And here's a helpful pro tip for the advanced users watching. If you want even more control over your section layouts, try Mailchimp, code your own option. With a little basic HTML, you can use tables to create full-width colored blocks. This is super useful if you need pixel-perfect alignment or want to really customize the look and spacing. It can seem intimidating at first, but Mailchimp's editor makes it pretty friendly, and there are tons of free examples online if you ever get stuck. One word of caution, it's easy to get carried away with colors, but the real key here is balance. Stick to just 2 or 3 background colors, ideally ones that match your brand. This will keep your emails feeling consistent and professional instead of overwhelming. Imagine you're picking outfits for a big event. You want everything to go together, not clash. This helps your messages come across as thoughtful and visually appealing. And that's it. With just a few small tweaks, your next Mailchimp email will look like it was designed by a pro. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this Mailchimp hack helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know down below if you have any questions or tricks of your own. And of course, subscribe for more straightforward, actionable tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.